Hey guys, it's Mo here with Hex Technology, and today I'm going to show you guys 15 tips and tricks for the HTC One M9, which I think are pretty helpful. Some of these tips are available on Android and some are exclusive to HTC Sense itself. Before we start this video, if you would like to see a giveaway of the HTC One M9, please make sure to hit the like button down below. The first tip is to use motion launch gestures. Swiping from the left brings you to your home page, swiping from the bottom brings you to the last spot you were on when you locked your phone, and double tapping the screen brings you to the lock screen. The second tip is being able to easily switch between the front and rear camera by swiping any direction on the screen when you're inside the camera app. 3. One of my favorite things about the camera on the phone is that you're able to take 20 images at once using burst mode. But if you want to take more than 20 images, click on the settings button and click on continue shooting and then uncheck limit to 20 frames. And now you're able to take up to 99 images by holding down the camera button on the app. So you'll be able to capture that perfect image. The fourth tip is pretty useful when you're waiting to take an image and want to save your battery. When you're on your phone, go on the camera app and then lock the phone from there. And once you're ready to take a picture, all you have to do is click the power button and it takes you right to the camera app. The fifth trick is pretty simple, but if you want to keep track on how much battery you have throughout the day, go into settings, battery manager, and then click on show battery level, which enables battery percentage. The sixth trick is being able to change useful settings on your phone by swiping down with 2 fingers. So all you have to do is swipe down on the status bar and you'll be able to change anything you really need to, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, or anything like that. The seventh tip is if you bought your phone from a carrier, it's probably bombarded with apps you can't delete. So an easy way to set these apps to not see these apps anymore is going into your app drawer, clicking on the right hand corner and then click hide apps, and then from there you can choose the apps you want to hide. The eighth tip is being able to create more storage on your phone. All you have to do is go into settings, storage, and then click create more storage, and then from here it gives you a breakdown on how much space is being taken up by other apps and media on your phone. 9. A cool feature of Sense is that if you're getting a call and you pick your phone up, it automatically answers the call for you. And if this becomes kind of annoying if someone's calling you don't like that person, you can turn it off by just going to settings, call menu, and then uncheck automatically answer calls. 10. Your own fingers can frustrate you while typing on your smartphone. If you mess up, an easy way to help your typing experience is creating text boxes. You can turn this on by going into accessibility into the settings menu and then from there checking the show magnifier box. The 11th tip is if you are in an app that is part of Sense and you want to know what it does without performing that action, all you have to do is hold that button and a little pop-up shows up where it shows you what it does. The 12th tip is pretty simple, but if you need to take a screenshot of an app you're on or something like that, all you have to do is hold the power button and the bottom volume rocker together, which is kind of awkward with the weird HTC button placement, but for right now that's all I found that works. The 13th tip is if you want to enable developer settings, all you have to do is go into settings, about, software information, and then go into more from there and then click on your build number 4 times. Which enables developer settings. The 14th tip is that if you can change the amount of on-screen buttons you have as well as the type of button it is. For this, go into settings, personalize, and after that click navigation buttons. From here you can select the ones you want to change the order change the order that they are in, but you can only have 4 buttons at once. The 15th tip is a new feature in Sense, and this feature is themes. To change your theme, all you have to do is hold your finger down on one of your pages, probably your home screen, and then click change your edit theme, and from here you can change your color settings, and they have a bunch of different themes that you can get, and they're probably being more developed for it. And well guys, that's about it for this video, and I hope you guys learned some useful tips and tricks for your new HTC One M9 in this video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos on the HTC One M9, and I'll see you guys in a future video.